Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the lava chicken in a surprise fold from the new Minecraft movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our lava chicken surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'll give it another nice fold. So it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like turn my paper this way to open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with our lava chicken surprise fold, let's begin by drawing the lava up here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make kind of like a wiggly line. That's just going to come down to here. And I'll do the same thing here, just kind of like a wiggly line that comes down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a small line down and another small line down. Then I'm going to connect this. Now at the corner here, let's draw a little diagonal line and then another little diagonal line. And then let's go ahead and connect this line straight across. Next, let's draw a line that comes straight down. And we'll make a line that comes straight down. Now, inside of here, let's make a line that goes up. We're going to come over and down. Now, let's draw one of Steve's lava chickens in here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up here. Then I'm going to go down at an angle, and then we'll start here. We're going to go down at an angle. Then we can connect it. Right here, we're going to go down and then connect here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across. We're going to go down. And then we're going to come over and then up. And then right here we'll make a diagonal line. Two diagonal lines like this. And connect it for one of his little lava chickens. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our drawing. We have our lava chicken down here and we have our lava. So we want to kind of make this like the movie scene. So let's begin by drawing this line up, and we're going to draw this line up. And then let's draw this line across. Next, we're going to make the chicken. So I'm going to kind of use the fold as a little bit of a guideline. So I'm going to just draw a line across for the top of the beak. Then I'm going to go down and down. Then I want to connect. We'll make a line across for the beak. Then we'll make a little line that comes out on each side. Then we're going to go up, over, and across here, or down. Then we're going to make two diagonal lines. And we will connect it. We'll make a little rectangle shape here. And then we're going to make a little square shape here for the eye and a little square shape here for the eye. Then I'm going to make a small square shape in the corner. And we'll just kind of go ahead and color in the rest of this. Next, starting here, I'm going to go out and down. Then I'm going to come over and up to about here. Next, we're going to go down and down a little bit. We're going to make a little square shape here for the wing. And then we'll come down, straight down, and in. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come to here to connect. And we'll make a little skinny rectangle over here. Now, right down here, I'm going to make a little rectangle for a foot and another little rectangle for a foot. Then I'll make 2 lines here and 2 lines here. Then, starting here, we're going to continue the lava. We're just going to make some kind of wiggly lines, and we're going to bring it right to here to connect. And there you go. There is your drawing of a lava chicken surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have the lava and the little lava chicken already. And then when we open up, we see how it's getting made with the lava dumping onto the little Minecraft chicken. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.